Hi, I am Hossein Hariri, and this is a video from Zal Yafte Academy. www.zalacademies.org. Check the description of this video before starting to watch it. If you are using a computer, the description is at the bottom. Click Show More to see more of the description. If you are using a tablet or a mobile, click on the little arrow at the bottom right to view the description at the bottom or on the right of the video. In this video, I would like to show you how to write a simple macro or VBA program. A set of VBA programs are called function procedures. I would like to write a function procedure here to add two numbers x and y. The body of this macro or VBA function procedure consists of a name, an arbitrary name, as you see my sum here, an optional description, which is a non-executable line and it displays as green, and also the main code, which is x plus y. Excel automatically adds a line at the end which reads end function. Let's go to VBA editor. Here I need to add a module to write my program. As soon as you add it, you will see that the module appears as module 1 in the Explorer. You can change the name of the module as something that you like, so it is changeable. You can write the program in this space. However, if you do not declare variables, whatever you write in this space, Excel automatically considers it as variable. So what you need to do, you have to go to Tools, and then Options, and then check Require Variable Declaration. This way, always the variables are the ones that you declare. As soon as I add a new module, option explicit appears. I would like to show you how to save your file. You go to Save As and you give it an appropriate name and you put your file in the trusted folder that you have already created and save your file as Excel macro enabled workbook, and note the ending of it will be XLSM. So this is the type that will hold your macro. Let's type function my sum x comma y. My sum is an arbitrary name that I will give to my function. As soon as I enter, end function appears. This is an automatic action by Excel. I'm gonna write the rest of the statements inside these two lines. I will add a description line, and because I want it to be non-executable, I am gonna start with an apostrophe. So I'm gonna write, this is my first VBA program. And when I enter, I'll see that the line turns into green, which means non-executable. After that, I define my function. My sum is equal to x plus y because I want to add those numbers, and I hit enter. Let's go and call the function, but before that, let me type two numbers, 2 and 3, and I want to add them. You know that in Excel we already have a function for adding numbers, equal sum, and you see that the function appears, and I select these two and the result will be 5. So my sum, which is my function, should do the same. Let's do that by calling the function. I say equal my, and as soon as I write my sum appears. I double click on it and let's do that. You see, it didn't give any result. What is the problem? Let's go. Here I see my sum and I have picked a range B9 colon B10. So this is a range. However, I have defined my function as x comma y, not colon y. Therefore, I have to exactly follow what I have defined. My function gives the result of 5. There are two more things that I need to mention here. One is you may write multiple programs on this VBA editor. So let me write another function. Function my multiplier x comma y. As soon as I hit enter, a line appears which separates the first program from the second program. That means I am gonna write multiple programs on one VBA editor sheet. I can write this as my multiplier equals x times y. So this is gonna multiply those two numbers. Let me call it here. If I say equal my multiplier is here, and if I say this cell comma that cell close parentheses, it multiplied 2 by 3. The last thing I want to mention is if you have a statement that is too long and you want to wrap the line, you can add a space and then an underscore and then hit enter. This way Excel is gonna consider multiplier equals to x times y as just one line. This way you can wrap a line if it is too long for the editor window. Let's call it again and see if it's still working. This cell comma that cell, still working, so therefore no difference.